Hello friends, so this is the white bike. Last time I was trying to start it up, I could see that there is no electricity. Seems the wiring is broken somewhere. So today what I'm going to do is I will try to find out why the neutral switch was not, lighting up and where the wiring is broken. So I have a small multimeter here. So let's check the wiring first if it comes from the plus pole battery to the pin, one of the pins that goes to the ignition switch. So first comes the relay, that's good. So from the relay it comes here, okay. So then it goes to the wiring harness, which is here, red, which I will be using over here. Okay, so seems that the key switch is the issue, because I cannot get any continuity there. Red and black, so those two should be connected, and if it is off it should be green and black with white stripe. So now I have it in the off position, so it should be black and green, so these two should be connected. Yeah, and there is resistance, so that's correct. These two, the red and black, should be disconnected. That's correct. But in the on position, now we have it in the on position, so the red and the black should have continuity, and there is nothing there. So the ignition switch is faulty. I have a replacement, but I will also open this original one to see what's in the box and what's going on there. These two, other two should not be connected, and that's correct. Okay, and these two should be now connected, and there is no continuity. So we have potentially found our issue. The issue is the ignition switch here. So yeah, let's fix that first. Now I will also check the starter switch and the stop switch for the engine run stop switch. So since we are having it now, so let's check that also. So engine stop off, when it's off should be green and black, connect it, and okay, the other ones too. And start to switch for the push. It should be black and yellow with red. So let me check the starter switch. So this one. Okay, starter switch is working. Black and the green in the off position. That is working. Yes. So there is no continuity when it is on run, and when it is in off, there is continuity. Yep. So this works, this is okay, this is okay. The ignition switch has issue, and the relay works. Yeah. So the main issue should be the ignition switch, and I will be making another video how to fix that or check that. So yeah, this is for now.